Okay guys, here again in the park. We're playing basketball guys. There is RJ. We bring the two balls, so be careful. Okay guys, here again in the park. We're playing basketball guys. For exercise. Here is RJ. So hot here. We go there, RJ. Not so hot. In there. Here my net, RJ. Here is the net. Go there, RJ.
Basket. Okay.
Hey, that's it. Okay guys. And now guys, we just walking around here in the park, and here's the creek. I'm filming this before, and there is, and we look at the duck again, RJ. Look at again the duck and the bird. You're laughing, RJ, your bread. I bring daddy the bread. Okay, we go here, RJ. Here is the park. Ang laki-laki. Saka mayroong picnic table here, and the tree is a windstorm before, honey. This is the creek, guys. Nice to walk here because it's not hot, honey.
Yep.
Because a lot of tree. It's cold here, RJ. Oh, there is the bird. Oh, the duck. RJ, it's the duck of the duck. There is the duck. No, quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Here's RJ. And we here, guys, we're staying here. There's so a lot of tree here, guys. Super cold here. Parang may aircon dito. Ang lamig. Okay. We go to the other duck that have mini ducks. We go to the ducks area, guys. That a lot of ducks. Ganda dito, hindi mainit dito. Dahil ang daming mga punong kahoy. Hey, RJ. Come here, RJ. Yan, mga punong kahoy, ang lalaki. Quack, quack, quack. Yep. Where's now a lot of ducks, RJ? Ooh, there is. We go in the shed. Oh my goodness, a lot. Quack, 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 quack. They're flying. Oh no! Oh no! No!
No?
You just fly?
You're scared of that.
Yeah, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. There it is.
Where's all the quacks? The quacks from the
Quack, quack,
island?
quack.
Oh. I see now.
Here is. Kita ninyo. Yep, there is the duck. Have a lot. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. They here because of the shade here. Look at that cars. Have a lot, RJ.
Huh?
There you go.
That side.
The other side.
Yes, I can look at it. There's none on this side. There's nuts on it.
Okay, we walk there. You go around.
Let's go to the bridge.
Okay, we go to the bridge.
Walk, walk, walk. Please walk, walk, walk.
Yep, you walk, walk, walk.
I was
Here is,
Baseball.
that is baseball field there. Look at that tree. Cut because of the winds. Fall down. Warning. Here's the other bridge. The bridge here.
Oh, the ducks.
Yep, have a lot of ducks there.
They're all there.
Because it's the shade. You like the shade, not the sun, RJ.
Yeah.
Yep.
The wood is underneath.
There is the bridge here. Look. And there is. Oh, have a rat. So big rat there. See? Have a rat, RJ. I see. There you go. And there is a lot of cars. See, RJ. Careful. Whoa, a lot, RJ. See? What are you eating? What you eating, duck? A grass? Oh, be careful. There he is. Have a lot of ducks. Oh. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. We wave to the duck. Go there. Go in the middle, are you?
No, they'll just run away.
No. We take picture. No. They're eating. See? Oh no, there's RJ. See? In the middle. Okay, we go.
The one side is sitting down.
Yeah, people now. And have here too. Have there too. RJ have white. What's that? The white, RJ. Here we go now. His daddy is there now. Yan, ang daming tree dito. Yan. Nice. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. There is a 2 ducks. Whoa! A bird there. Walk, walk, walk. Walk. The blackbird. Up here, the blackbird. Quack, 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 quack. What you doing there? There he is. Awk, 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 awk. Awk, awk, awk. Quack, quack, quack. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito, guys. Sila RJ doon, oh. Ang layo. Playground. Doon. Yan. Nice tong tree na to. Colorful. Yan.
Can we go back to our old ducks?
No. We not want to go now. We go now. We go home now.
They're happy ducks.
Yep.
Guys, there's mommy. Yeah. We're outside, guys.
Hi guys. Nandito na kami sa Smith. Sa brand new Smith dito. Bagong Smith. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ang mga view dito guys. Ito na oh. Yan ang daming mga gravel dito at saka mayroong mga bagong construction doon guys. So nagbi-build ng mga houses. There's RJ. So yan ang view dito. Nandun ang view sa mountain is hazy. Yan. Dito kami sa shade dahil ang init. Yan. Laki ng tree oh. So see the backhoe, dig the dirt.
It's like a gun. This is like a gun.
What you doing,
I'm
RJ?
trying to mine this.
Why you mine Minecraft?
Look at all the salt I'm getting.
You pretend a Minecraft.
Soon
What? What?
I will play another game with the cows update for Skyblock soon. This is my best weapon so far. This is my spear that is too heavy. I can't.
You're doing digging now. Careful. Big rock. Careful your eyes.
I did it.
Yeah.
I mined one piece. Finally, that took me such a long time. Took me a long time. No.
No.
That is it.
It's full of.
Mine. Give me more pieces of ore. I need more.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video guys. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next video. Bye-bye.